Hi everyone, my name is Claudio Bordolone, and this is MatchDay Navigator. This is an app built for my final project in web services. It helps some fans attending the FIFA World Cup 2026 plan their day around a match, or to get to the stadium, today's traffic, the weather forecast, and nearby attractions to check out before or after kickoff. It it's built with Python Flask on the back end and MCQs for the database. Um, when the app when the uploads, it pulls every match from the database to a REST API and displays them here, um, sorted by date. Each row shows the date, the two teams, the round, and the host city. Let's say I'm going to the Mexico and South South Africa opener at Estadio Azteca. Selecting this match, the one Mexico versus South Africa, um will triggers 4 more API calls automatically, one for each panel. Um, First panel is getting there. This calls it a transit handprint and show train, subway, or bus option to reach that specific stadium with estimate travel time. Next is today traffic, congestion level, and average delay near the venue. The third one is match day weather, and this one a live API call, not it's not a stored data. It hits the open media weather service in real time and show the current temperature, today's high and low, and the rain chance for that city. And finally, before or after, nearby amusement parks and attractions, sorted by distance, so a fan can plan something to do around the match. Here we have the favorite feature. Here fan can also save matches that they are attending. I can type like 80 and then save match like this. That writes to the favorites table to a post request, and the save list shows up right below. This uses the same favorites endpoint to read it back with a get request. That writes to the favorites table to a post request, and the save list shows up right below. This use the same favorites and endpoint to read it back with the get request. Now let me show you guys that the API works correctly and independently from of the front end. There's the code right here. That's for the matches. Those are for the stadiums, and then last one for weather. All all of those return clean JSON, so this API could be consumed by any front end, not just the one I built. The full source code, database schema, and setup instructions are in the deployment document I submit that I submitted. Future improvements I outlined include replacing the seed seeded traffic and transit data with live feeds, adding real user accounts and live match score integration. Thank you for watching.